The 2026 BMW X3 is expected to maintain its position as a premium compact SUV that seamlessly combines dynamic performance with sophisticated luxury. Building on the reputation of its predecessors, this model is likely to introduce further advancements in driving dynamics, blending BMW's signature athleticism with enhanced comfort. The powertrains, including hybrid and potentially electric options, will offer a range of choices for those seeking both performance and efficiency, while the inclusion of improved suspension and steering technologies should enhance handling without compromising ride comfort. Inside, the 2026 x3 is anticipated to continue the trend of premium materials, attention to detail, and cutting-edge technology. As seen in the 2025 model, the integration of a more intuitive infotainment system and a high-quality cabin environment will be key selling points. The spacious interior will likely cater to both passengers and cargo, offering versatile storage solutions and ample room. Advanced driver assistance features are expected to be standard, further bolstering the vehicle's appeal in terms of both safety and convenience, making it a compelling choice for those who value modern tech. However, despite the evident strengths, the 2026 X3 will likely face similar challenges as its predecessors. The cabin, though well-appointed, could still suffer from occasional road noise, a complaint voiced by some owners of earlier models. Furthermore, while the ride quality is generally praised, enthusiasts who prioritize ultimate driving performance might wish for a more tactile steering experience. Nevertheless, these minor shortcomings are unlikely to overshadow the X3's overall appeal, as the model continues to embody BMW's dedication to blending luxury, performance, and innovation.